back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys a whole lot for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, this is the first time of you coming across Stylish Naija's channel here on YouTube, I would appreciate if you hit on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell also to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you how to actually cut and sew this trendy off-shoulder organza sleeve. So this sleeve, you can actually make it with an organza. You can make use of a scuba also for the sleeve. It is very simple and it is easy. So the first thing we are going to do is to draft out an off-shoulder. The off-shoulder, that's like the base where you are going to insert the organza. You are going to cut it out, and then the amount of organza that I'm using for this class is going to be 2 yards of organza, but for one sleeve is going to be about 1 yard. So just as we go along, we'll note the difference. So the first thing, you take your fabric. We're going to draft out, like I said, you cut out your off-shoulder sleeve first that you are going to attach the organza to. So for those of you, if you have been following me, cutting an off-shoulder sleeve now is not supposed to be a problem. It is very simple. So what you are going to do when you want to cut an off-shoulder sleeve, the first thing you are going to determine is your round sleeve measurement. That's the round. So on this top part, what you are going to do, since it is an off-shoulder, it's not going to have like a cap. So you come to this point like this, and then you measure your round sleeve measurement. So for this, my round sleeve measurement is actually 10 inches. That's round like this. And this part is 10. So you divide it into 2, you have 5. My fabric is folded into 2, so you mark 5 like this, and then you add maybe 1 inch that you are going to use as stitching allowance here. And then for the sleeve round, the round of the sleeve, it is an off-shoulder sleeve, so you are going to determine how many inches. If what you dropped with is actually 5 inches, you place your tape like this. This is 5 inches, and then you mark your 9 inches, or if it is 10 you are using, and then you just curve it like this. It is very, simple. And then the next thing you are going to measure now is the length of your sleeve. With the length of your sleeve, what you are going to do, like you are going to come like this. So for this, the length of the sleeve, I'm going to be making use of about 7 inches. So this is my 7 inches, and then from this part you measure the down part of your sleeve. That's your sleeve round. So for this, I'm going to be using 14 inches. So this is 14 inches. So we'll mark it like this. So this 14 now, that's for your bicep area. So you see, it is simple. So we'll cut out. You add your stitching allowance on it, and then you cut it out. So this is our off-shoulder sleeve. So the next thing now, this is our off-shoulder sleeve. So the next thing now, what we are going to do, we're going to cut out the organza that will ruffle around it to create the beautiful ruffles around. So I have my fabric here. I've already cut out some strap, but I'm going to explain to you how I did them. So you fold your fabric like this into 2, and then you iron it. So you are going to determine the length, how big you want it to be, because we're going to cut it out like a circle. So on this part like this, I have about 6 inches. So you fold into 2 at 6 inches, and then you fold like this again, and then you determine. So for this, I'm going to use about 5 inches or 4.5. Okay, I'm going to do 5.5 inches. So I'm just trying to create out a circle that will give me 5.5. So it's a little bit big, so I'll adjust, and then I'll come to this point like this. So I hope you can see it clearly. So I said we're using 5.5. So this is 5.5. So we'll mark it round, the 5.5. You can use 6, depends on how big you want it. Just mark it round like this. So for this kind of sleeve, you can decide to add fishing line to it. But there's a way I'm going to make mine, even though it does not have a fishing line, it's still going to have that effect. So I'll mark it round like this. Just create out your beautiful circle like this, and then I will cut out So I'll open it up to check. If I feel it's too big, I can decide to reduce it. So this is how it's going to be. So this is how they are going to be. We're just going to, it's a simple sleeve. So I think I'm going to reduce mine. Since I'm not adding fishing line, I'm going to reduce to as much as 4.5, so it stands perfectly well. But if you are adding a fishing line, that means you are going to be hemming the down. So you could do the 5.5, so that after hemming, it will still be perfect. So I'll do 4.5. I'm not hemming. Okay, so with this now, I'm going to cut out about 20 pieces of this now. So from my, I'm just going to continue. I'll cut them out. So when I'm done, I'll come back and show you. So I'll just place it like this on it and then cut them. Okay, so I have finished cutting out all of my pieces. So this is our off shoulder sleeve. So you are, like I said, you are going to get a base sleeve like this, and then you would open it up, and then we're going to start stitching all of them on it. And the next thing you are going to do, you just get a needle and a thread. You can actually make use of your machine, but I think I would advise you use a needle and thread. And then you are going to just pick at random your organza ruffles that you have cut out. That's the pieces. So you see it is already looking beautiful. And then I'm going to start tacking them. So what I'm going to do on this part, I'm just going to leave the inch that I'm going to use to stitch my sleeve together, and then on this side you're not going to tack around here. So I'm just going to keep. So in doing this, you can do it however you want to. I'll just use my needle and thread like this, and then from the back I will tack. Because the good thing with this sleeve is that you can actually cover it up as much as you want. So I'll tack. And then I'll pick again. So I'm just picking them like two pieces. So these ones, I'll turn them to this side. Place them together like this. So these ones now, turn them to this side. So you see it is standing already. So I'm just going to tack it in such a way that it will stand like this. You know, since me, I did not use fishing line, so I'm going to use my needle and thread to arrange it. So you see, I've placed it now. That's how I'm going to tack it, and at the end of the day, it's going to stand like this. So you do to it what you want. So I'll take my needle like this also, and then I would hold from this point like this. I'll hold the both of them together. And then I'll raise this part like this. I'll raise it up like this. And then from this back part, so I'll raise it up. I hope you can see it. I'll raise it up like this just to turn it so it will stand, to have that standing effect. I'll turn it like this. And then I'll use my needle and thread, and then I'll tack it from in like this. So you see it is looking beautiful. We're not even done yet. So I'll continue again. I'll pick another 2 pieces. I'll join them together like this, and then I'll place them on this side like this. So you see our sleeve is looking beautiful already. So I'm going to place them on this side again, and then I will tack. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I'll get to almost this. I'll get to the end of this part. So I'll just keep laying them on it. Okay, so you see how beautiful our sleeve is looking. So like I said, I told you, you really don't need to add fishing line and then it's still going to come out beautifully well. So you see, I've gotten to this part, so I'm going to cut out more. Like I told you, I said I'll cut out 20, so I have about 15 here, so I think I'm going to cut out like 25. So I'm going to cut out more pieces now, and then once I finish, I'll place it on the mannequin for you to see the final look. So it's looking beautiful. I love it already. Okay, so you could see our sleeve is looking so beautiful, very beautiful. I actually like the outcome of this sleeve, so it came out beautifully well. So like I said, the edges, you see, I did not use fishing line, and I did not serge the edge, and it's still looking so beautiful. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please, I would appreciate if you hit on the like button and then subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Ciao.